In this video, I am going to show you how to request and download your order data from Etsy. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager by clicking on it. Within the Shop Manager, find and click Settings to access various options to manage your shop. In the Settings menu, look for and select Options to proceed to the next step. Now, click on the Download Data tab, which will take you to a section where you can download different types of data related to your shop. Under the Orders option section, you'll see an option for the type of order data you can download. Select the specific type of data you're interested in. After that, click on Download CSV to initiate the download of your order data in CSV format. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.